Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to validate a signature in Adobe Sign. So to truly inspect the cryptographic security of the file, you should avoid viewing it in the standard web browser. So instead download the Adobe Sign dashboard, so Adobe Acrobat Reader or Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now when you open a certified document in Acrobat signed, a notification banner will automatically appear at the very top of the window, as you can see right here. Now we have here a green check mark, so that means that it's signed and all uh, signatures are valid. If you have orange exclamation, so orange check mark, then it will mean that at least one signature has problems, and if it's red X, then this means that at least one signature is invalid. Now to actively trigger a validation check on a specific field, scroll to the signature on the page or open the signature panel. So if you have option right at the top, signature panel, click on that. Otherwise you have it here on the right side, this pencil. So we will go signature panel. Now it will open up this menu here. Now what we are going to do, we will click right here on this one with the right click on the mouse and then validate signature. And you have also, yeah, so validate signature. Now what you are going to do is here signature properties, click on it to view the granular security details here in Adobe. So we will see document integrity and signers in identity. And yeah, and this is basically it, how you can validate a signature in Adobe. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next